Hi, today in front of me OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches in screen recording on this device. So let's first open the settings application and after that scroll down to the additional settings. Here you will see the screen recording section and scroll now just down to other settings. You'll see here show screen touches switcher. Just to activate them or to turn them off you should use this switcher, and that's it. So also we got one more way how we can activate the screen recording settings on our OnePlus device. First we should open the control panel and here you'll find the screen recording icon. Just to launch the settings, hold for a while this icon and after that we can see the same screen recorder settings. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel.